So
And
you meant to
that's
say that all these resources work across global that you have experienced and you have.
yes,
So
yes,
what are the
yes.
best part that you liked about the strategy that we had explained from week 1 to week 8, niche, SWOT, resume, then they're done for you. What are the best thing that you found more insightful, Rashmi?
I would say all, all the, all the, all those the resources
But
were
still,
very
all
helpful.
everything is good. You're being very generous. But still, what are the best thing you found excellent, and what are the thing you found? Oh, this should be taken, or this is absolutely rubbish. What is that?
I won't say anything was rubbish because that all
Hmm.
resources were help me in any stage of my life, this process. So
Nice.
the I'll give you the one resource that was very helpful, and that is a CRA statement and the niche analysis,
Wow.
SWOT analysis, and
And
that is
what that made you the revelation? Like what kind of discovery you made for yourself using that?
actually like being a fresher. I just have a 1.5 years of experience. I don't know
Mhm.
how to ace the interview, how to introduce myself, and how to tell the other person about my experiences, like what
Correct.
projects I've worked on and what tools I'm working in, what actual experience and the core experience I have in the field. And that
Mhm.
because I only don't didn't have that
That
I mean,
exposure.
exposure, because I'm also working on that. So that really helped me when I did that self analysis, like
Hmm.
the niche and the SWOT analysis and the CRA statement generating, and
Hmm.
that was very helpful.
And what
Like
are the challenges you are facing, Rashmi, before you join the mentorship program?
uh, I would say I didn't know how to what just I just mentioned the interview
Yeah.
process. I didn't know how to do that, and then other one will be how to use our networks to get the job, to get
Hmm.
that opportunity to at least enter the process.
Correct.
That was very, and in Indian market, like not Indian but any market, this is the
Mhm.
crucial step, I would say.
Yes, absolutely. And before joining, had you tried to solve this problem yourself? And did you find something missing? And what was missing when you were doing it yourself?
I Before joining, I tried my best. Like
Mm.
I used to go on LinkedIn. I used to
Mm.
ask my friends like this, and I used to draft my resumes and all. But uh, I would say that I didn't know the structured
Structured
process of
approach.
that. So I might be doing a good resume, but I was lacking the content of it.
Mhm.
Or then AI helped me, but not to that extent, because you need a mentor to tell you like what exposure you have and how can you display that
Tailor
exposure.
make things and customize
Yes.
things. Now that you talked about the mentors, how did you find my mentors? How did you find my strategist team? How was the guidance and support? Did you find it?
Actually, I was like Smita ma'am really helped me. Like
Mhm.
I was I'm very I'm a kind of person. I'll ask ma'am for the like time slot, and
Mm.
due to some meetings and some program I need to delay it.
Got
So
it.
but and every I like since I'm a fresher, I have a lot of questions, like how to do
Yeah.
that, how to what is this and what is that and everything. But Smita ma'am was very patient with me.
Yeah, she is handling my Western European zone. So we have people spread across the segments because you have the entire EMEA market divided into segments, right? You have the Nordics region, you have the dark region, you have the SPIGI, you have the CEE, UK, and the Benelux. So each of them cannot be dealt in the same way. All right.
Yeah.
Just like ENT also, there are specialized doctors, right, under ENT segment also. So we need to kind of gauge on that. But I hope this everything change your mindset and approach, right, on your career job search strategy after you
Yes, yes,
join.
a lot, a lot. I don't know how to phrase it or how to tell it, but as a fresher, you actually don't know things,
Correct.
and you really need a mentor to like how to do the LinkedIn optimization, how to
Mhm.
approach certain people to get the referral, and yeah.
Now that you have the job in hand, okay, you just joined and everything. So, do you think anybody trying on his own or anybody coming through the mentorship, what should the approach they should take, in order to, should they still continue to try on their own using those bits and pieces of information scattered across the internet and reels and videos, or they should take a strategic approach, with any mentor? What is your point of view on this now?
Actually, I think the strategy helps a lot because if you do your own, then you
Mhm.
have to give yourself like a 3 to 4 years of span or
Uh,
anything. But
Absolutely.
with a mentor, you can you can
I think three
grab
to
the
4 years you have been
opportunity.
too long. I think if somebody tries on his own, maybe 1.5 year should be okay.
Yes,
Because 6 months the person will just go here and there experimenting what's happening. But the problem is that nobody has that much of time in their hand, especially with the running job, full-time
yes,
house related tasks and all that. And as we are dealing more with the senior professionals, most of them are married with kids, school, homework of the kids, and shopping and the jobs, bosses. It becomes a little bit difficult. I understand. Yeah, yeah.
yes.
Superb. I think if you had to describe this mentorship in one word or one sentence, what would that be? Spontaneously coming out through your mind.
One word would be very supportive and phenomenal. Like I didn't know that this things are there. Like
Mhm.
anybody can help me from like stepwise ones, like
Yeah.
from one level 1 to level 10, and that was very helpful. Like being a
Absolutely.
fresher, like not just being a fresher, but I think anybody can leverage this information and this mentorship, and that would be good for themselves also. Like you can
Makes sense.
grab
Yeah.
a opportunity in less than 6 months. Like in a 6 months, you know yourself better
Yeah.
and you present yourself better.
Yes. And you feel more confident. See, if
Yeah,
once you crack
actually.
one job, you know how the thing works. You have that confidence, right? You know how to
Yes.
make the keys to the locks. All you need to
Actually,
do is just make that effort.
talking about the confidence, I'm very introvert person. Like I doubt, I have
Mm.
a lot of self doubt. I am very introvert person. But having a good mentorship, that's what I'm saying again and again. Having a good
Mhm.
mentorship actually gives you best results.
Absolutely.